Implementing linear regression with iris dataset in Python and plotting results. Here's how to implement linear regression in Python using the iris dataset and visualize the results with explanatory comments for each line of code. 1. Import libraries. Explanation: Pandas, data manipulation and analysis. NumPy, scientific computing and mathematical operations. sklearn, linear_model. Linear regression model class. sklearn, model_selection. Train_test_split, splits data into training and testing sets. Matplotlib, pyplot, plotting library. 2. Load and prepare iris data. Explanation: we can load the iris data either as a dictionary, load_iris, or from a CSV file. X contains the feature values, e.g., sepal length, petal width. Y contains the target variable, e.g., species. If the target variable is categorical, encode it using one hot encoder for regression analysis. 3. Split data into training and testing sets. Explanation: train_test_split randomly splits the data into training, 80%, and testing, 20%, sets for model evaluation. 4. Train the linear regression model. Explanation: initialize a linear regression object. Train the model with the training data, x_train, y_train. 5. Predict and evaluate model performance. Explanation: predict target values for the testing set using the trained model. Calculate mean squared error, MSE, and R² to evaluate model performance. MSE indicates the average squared difference between actual and predicted values. R² measures the proportion of variance in the target variable explained by the model. 6. Plot predictions and actual values. Explanation: choose the feature and target class to plot based on your analysis. Plot the actual and predicted target values against the chosen feature. Label the axes and legend for clarity. Further analysis: you can perform additional analysis like train and compare models with different features. Evaluate model performance with other metrics like mean absolute error. Visualize residuals, differences between actual and predicted values, to identify potential outliers. Remember to adjust the code based on your specific needs and analysis goals. This outline provides a comprehensive framework for